Amigos, welcome to my kitchen. If that is your first video, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you like it, and check my other videos. And if you have subscribed already, I really appreciate all the subscriptions and all the followers that I have so far. Today we are going to teach you or share with you a recipe that is very easy, and now that is a summer coming, that is very convenient to do. It's a couscous salad. You will need 1.5 cup of dry couscous, 1.5 cup of chicken or veggie stock, and for the salad, cilantro, a handful of chopped cilantro, a cup of grape tomatoes, half a cup of English cucumber, a red pepper diced, and half a cup of red onions. Kitchen, you can take it for work, you can take it to the beach. That is very easy really to make. So what we need is a couscous. I have the very thin couscous. You can make it also, if you like, with Israeli couscous, but honestly I prefer the thin. A cup and a half of couscous and a cup and a half of liquid. Here is chicken stock. You can use veggie stock if you are vegetarian, or you can even use plain water if you would like to heat up. And I put my chicken stock that I'm using, that doesn't say. And now we put a little bit, just a few drops of olive oil. Now we have our stock boiling, so what we put is our couscous inside. We remove it a little bit, and then we just put the cover and stop. So leave it for a few minutes until the couscous is done. Now I just left it covered for a few minutes until the couscous is done. It's very thin, that is just, you need a couple of minutes. So the only thing you have to make sure is to put it when the water or the stock is boiling. Then we have to remove it, like this. Okay, so now you see it's done. So I'm going to put it in where I'm going to make it, the salad, to let it cool down. We have here the couscous. We are leaving, that can cool down. This salad, you can make it even what you wanted, what you have in your refrigerator, what you find now in those days in the supermarket. So if you don't like red pepper, you put green pepper. If you want, even you can put corn, you can put any other type of veg. To peel it, not very much, just a little bit. Take the peel off. And also I like to take out the seed. Why I take the seed? Because I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator, and if we have the seed, that gets a moisturizer, so the salad gets moist. So I take it with a spoon. I start chopping my cucumber. You put it inside the salad because the couscous is still warm, and I want it to be cold, completely cooled down before I start to put my veggies inside. My veggies in this bowl, so then I can put it. Also, in those days, you have to wash very well your hands when you're cooking. Before, in the middle, so in all my breaks, I'm washing my hands. Red pepper. I really like the red pepper because it's more sweet than the green. I'm going to cut it exactly more or less the same as the cucumber. So look at this color, that is beautiful. Another tip that I will say is, if you have leftovers of red pepper, you can put it in a Ziploc and freeze it. And it won't be very fresh, but if you make a gazpacho, or if you make a soup, or you're doing a stew, that will be, you can use it, that perfect. So I prefer always fresh, but if you're not going to use it for a moment, you can freeze. I'm using red onion because I think for a salad it's more tasty. I'm cutting my red onion. Okay, the couscous is almost cold. Now I have my tomatoes. I like to cut it in half. So here I have a bunch of cilantro. One trick that I have to give you, when you are going to cut herbs, they have to be very dry. If you come from the supermarket or whenever you get it, please wash it really well, and more on those days that you don't know who have touched it, and then let it dry so you can cut it more even. So now I have a scissors, I just wash it. And one thing that my mother-in-law teach me is to cut herbs, and I found it that is very nice. I have a scissors and I have a glass container, and I just cut my herbs. It's easier than, you know, cut it in a knife. I found it much easier. As I said, if you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley or even skip it, the herb. Let me organize a little bit. And you have to be organized and knowing what you have, and before I start cooking you have to know that you have all the ingredients, because if you're missing something you have to stop everything, you have to go to the supermarket, so check before. So here I have all my veggies. I'm going just to add to my salad, and I just sprinkle. Look at the color. I love the colors, and I like that bowl for that salad. I always use it because they have more or less the same, you know, colors, so that is beautiful. And as I said before, you know, I think cooking is taste and eye, for me. So you have to have evenly colorful, so you cannot have a lot of green and then if you're getting red, because that is very uneven. And now I put my parsley, my cilantro, and I think that look so well. And you know, I haven't done any salt here. You can add some salt, but I think with the chicken stock we have enough. And now I'm going to do you can eat it just with olive oil. You just put, I know people that they don't have oil in their diet at all. You can only use, if you want, just lemon. But for me, that salad have some lemon and some extra virgin olive oil. So I have a fresh lemon. Always buy fresh. Another thing, we move or roll the lemon so all the juice get evenly. I also have heard that maybe you can put it at like a few seconds in the microwave to get it, but I don't like that. I prefer to roll it a little bit and get all the juice. So we just put some lemon juice. Oh, I thought that that one was going to have more juice, so I think we are going to use the other half. Depends, sometimes lemon juice has more juice than others. So we just squeeze our lemon and remove it, and now we are going to add like one tablespoon of olive oil. We have to use extra virgin olive oil, no olive oil that we have used for other recipes, like when you are frying. We use normal olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil come in these glass green bottles. They are very more stronger, and the flavor is better for a salad. So we just put, you know, a little bit of olive oil. It's better to add as you need it. Not look at the salad, it's looking fantastic, and the smell, you know, of the cilantro and all the fresh veggies. So I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil because it absorbs, so you don't have to put at the beginning, and a little bit of salt. As I told you, I haven't done any salt with it. And then you put it in a container in the refrigerator. That is perfect to go to the beach, to go to the, you can take it at the school, or you can take it as work. It will last 3 days or 4 days in the refrigerator, and really is tasty. And so I hope you have enjoyed my channel today and my recipe. If you do, please like it and then subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time. Adios, and have a super wonderful day.